All right, this morning we're going to go over to Renegades, over southeast of Welaka, kind of like, and off the St. Johns River. I'll tell you what, a beautiful morning. It started off around 41 degrees, and now I think it's already in the mid 50s. We'll have a good time today, and there's the Junior Range.
This was our route. We left here. We're by the crossing. That's the RV resort. We traveled up 121 and then 331, which is also 24 Waldo Road. Here at the BP station is where we met up with the rest of Let's Ride Gainesville, and then we started our route. Now, me and Marcia were a little behind. We were addressing issues on our bike that we weren't liking at the time. Then we caught up and we went through Welaka, East Welaka. Then we came on down, and this is where Renegades on the Water. It's not just a nice restaurant. It's a nice marina. They have a nice Tiki Bar. And they got some cabins. And it's also an RV resort. Diamond car here is another neat little stop to get something quick on the road.
Buffet for you if you give them time. buffet.
Now, like always, I tell you to check out their website. There's Renegades right there. And when you go check out the website, you can study it a lot more. They got some great pictures, a lot of information, everything from the RV to the marina to the restaurant to everything. So definitely check out their website to get full idea what this place has to offer. Now, this is Renegades on the River, and I'll tell you what, this is a good restaurant, great food, kind of gets that rustic feeling, and they have more than just a restaurant here. There's a few things, like right here at the RV resort.
Yep, good. Oh, Renegades. There's a Junior Ranger.
Of course, this is our group. We kind of got the room to ourselves, but I will show you around this place in just a second.
Yep. We ain't seen some of these guys for a while.
Yeah, you all guys.
You have to come visit us.
And Barry saved the day for us today. Chris is looking for ice cream. Boo Boo's hungry. He ain't sitting next to me right now. Liz here.
Craig is here.
No ice cream? No, too cold. Too cold.
20.
Here, 25.
If beer still is alive.
This is the part where I'm going to take you through the rest of the dining room, outside on the porch, and take a look at this place.
I don't know if you can see it, but there's some turtles around here.
I said before, this is pleasant to the eye. The river back there is the St. John's. There's the deck out here. We've eaten here many times in the spring and fall. And in the background you can see they got some cabins for rent. But among that, on the left side, which you can't see right now, you've seen earlier, is a pretty nice little RV resort.
Huh, danger. Do not feed, tease, or approach any wild alligators. Or if they got any tame alligators. What's the difference? St. John's River?
Tell you what, you can get some mighty nice pictures of this place. I'm just walking around the little man-made lake, and we haven't even checked out the Tiki Bar right there. One of these days I'll take a walk through there, then I'll have me a cold beer. And there's the marina. It's about to disappear as the restaurant. There's the Tiki Bar, and in that pond they usually have an alligator, and here I got to kill the volume because they got a one-man band singing. Let's check the marina out. The river in the background is the St. John's. It goes shoot all the way up to Jacksonville. The river flows north. Neat little marina. I don't see quite a few boats in here today. I bet you in the summertime you see a lot. And, you know, I said a one-man band playing. It might be a band playing. Some good music coming out of there. That went quick. Now we're heading back to home and saying goodbye to our buddies. Welaka, real close to the Dairy Queen. And I'll tell you, they got a lot of murals like this throughout the city.
Says the ice cubes keep the milk cold. Well, with all that pyro on.
Mention a couple other things. As far as the food at the restaurant, the food is very good. It's always been good. Portions, they're good. They're not the biggest, but they're not the smallest. There was plenty for me to eat, so I was happy with my portion.
Renegades. Great food, nice ride. It's time to let Sprocket and Punch out.
Also, be sure to check out our YouTube page. We also have a Facebook page, and we also have a website trying to keep these all together. This, once again, was a Michael and Marcia's motorcycle trips video. Ain't that right, Sprocket Baby, huh?